Okay, we're gonna be doing the back scratch test now. So what it is you're just gonna get your dominant hand and you're gonna have it palm on your back, and then you're gonna take your other hand and you're gonna reach, and you're gonna try to touch your fingers. And I'm gonna measure, like if they don't touch, I'm gonna measure that, or if they do touch, I'm gonna measure how much they overlap. And then you're gonna do it on the opposite way too. Okay?
Alright, okay.
We're just measuring your flexibility. So you can come around the other way. Just come on around the other way. Okay. Whenever you're ready. Okay. Now the other way. Okay, now we're going to do it one more time. The other way. Okay, yeah. Okay, and the other way. Okay, good job.